Now more than ever, we are cleaning for our health as much as for appearance. But finding effective cleaners that disinfect and balance efficacy with low toxicity can be a challenge. Nature-inspired, one-step cleaner and disinfectant, Botaniclean, solves this dilemma. Botaniclean is a hospital disinfectant and cleaner used daily by professionals to reduce risk in homes, labs, healthcare and school facilities, on transportation surfaces, and more. Any areas where cross-contamination might be an issue. As a viricide, germicide, fungicide, and tuberculosidicide, EPA-registered Botaniclean addresses some of the most common concerns. Unlike other harsh disinfectants, there's no need to wear personal protective equipment when using Botaniclean. Let's all help reduce the risk of virus transmission. Make Botaniclean part of your daily cleaning and disinfecting regimen.